नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। आई एम JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा। फैकल्टी नेम फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथोलॉजी, डिपार्टमेंट नेम टीचिंग एजुकेशन एंड मैथोलॉजी, यूनिवर्सिटी नेम ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी, प्रोग्राम नेम BA/BSc B.Ed ZBC PCM सेकेंड सेमेस्टर, कोर्स नेम अंडरस्टैंडिंग एजुकेशन एंड इट्स पर्सपेक्टिव, session name education as a value development. Today I am delivering my lecture education as a value development. So in this video discussing etymological meaning of value, philosophical meaning of value, meaning of educational values, views about educational values, all are discussing in this video. Educational values. J.S. Brucher, to state one's aim of education is it wants to state her educational values. According to its verbal meaning, value, significance, that quality of an individual or thing which makes that individual or thing important, respectable and useful. This quality may be internal or external or both. This is etymological meaning of values. Philosophical meaning of values. In its philosophical or educational interpretation, values significance is neither a thing nor an individual, but a thought or a point of view. As such, anything which is useful to an individual becomes valuable to him and her. The very same thing may be quite useless to another individual, and as such it is of no value to that individual. Thus, from the philosophical standpoint, a value is directly related to a viewpoint of thought. So, meaning of educational values. I am talking meaning of educational values. Educational values are related to those activities which are good, useful and valuable. From the point of view of education, and has already been pointed out that according to Adams, it is bipolar process which has two parts. According to Adams, the education is the bipolar process. What is the bipolar process? Bipolar process. This is the teacher and the child. The teacher, in order to mold and modify the behavior of the child, employs various strategies and tactics to achieve the desired behavioral changes in the learner. He performs all these activities because she thinks them as valuable for the purpose in view. As the teacher provides an environment of utility and value to the child, in the same manner, the child participates only in those activities. He performs all these activities because he likes them as valuable for the purpose in view. As the teacher provides an environment of utility and valuable value to the child. In the same manner, the child participates only in those activities which she considered useful and valuable to him. Thus, the teacher and the child participate only in those activities which consider as educationally useful and valuable. According to Cunningham, educational values become aims of education. According to these qualities, abilities, and capacities are performed in the individuals, which are inherently values of life. Brouwer speaks out this as to state one's aim of education is at once to state her educational values. Views about educational values. There are two views about educational values. Have these values an independent existence? And next, are these dependent upon individual who does evaluation? The nature of these of two kinds, internal and subjective, and external or objective. There are two types of values, internal and subjective. Some educationists are the opinion that values depend upon personal ideas and experiences. In other words, a value is born out of a mind's power of imagination. They hold that those things are of any use to human beings which have values inherent in them. Things are of no use which have no value. Educational values are internal and subjective. According educationist, curriculum, construction, selection of educational aids, strategy and tactics are depends upon the teacher and the learner. They determine their values according to their utility. This is internal and subjective values. Next one, external and objectives. Some educationists firmly hold that values are inherent in objects and activities in accordance with their qualities and attributes. The social environment influences these quality of the value or an object. In other words, it is the social environment which assists to assign any value to an object. Hence, each social values according in environment and trees and objects and become a part of it. The social environment in which the teacher as well as child live. It should be borne in mind that either of them are one-sided and reveal only one side of truth. The first educationist, the external social environment, and the other remains indifferent to the interest, inclinations, aptitude, and capacities of the learner. In fact, the internal and external values are essential for an effective and wholesome progress of education. Thus, education values should be created keeping in the consideration. In short, an educational values is created out of a synthesis, both a subjectively and the objectively. What are the subjective values and what are the objective values? We are discussing. Subjective values are curriculum, construction, selection of educational aids, strategy, and tactics all depend upon the teacher and the child or learner. They determine their values according to their utility. And objective values, that are the social environment the learner is choose individually according their nature, side of truth, anything. Kinds of educational values. According to McDougall, educationists have expressed different views of which those of need mention. Modern philosophies of education. In his book, he has divided educational values into two categories. According to McDougall, in their book publication, Modern Philosophies of Education, there are two categories of values. Immediate, related to likes immediate values, and related to intelligent likes to remote values. Immediate values and remote values. There are two categories of values effect to the education and the learner and the overall social environment. These values are those which fulfill the biological and physiological and psychological needs of children. Immediate values are like as these values are those which fulfill the biological and psychological needs of children. Only immediate objects satisfy these values. The remote ones have no relevance. For example, a child having an interest and liking for fine arts shall be able to satisfy her artistic taste by practicing artistic activities only. In short, these values are related to immediate needs and their fulfillment to achieve immediate self-satisfaction. Next category, related to intelligence, remote values. These values are closely related to intelligent and rational needs. It is a matter of common experience that each programs of school satisfies the diverse need of teachers and children. Thank you.